I'm gonna show you 10 AI tools that make your work life much easier, from planning your day and taking meeting notes to drafting emails and making presentations. Whether you are in RevOps, marketing, customer support, or you are just trying to get ahead of your to-do list, this is cheat sheet for working smarter. Let's start with a calendar, aka chaos zone. Motion isn't just for scheduling meetings. It builds out your day based on your tasks, priorities, and when you actually have time to focus. If you are in a lot of meetings, this one is gold. 5 lines, joins your call, records them, transcribes everything, and sends you a summary with the action items. Also plays nicely with the tools like Notion and Asana via Zapier, so you can auto-send summaries or create tasks without lifting a finger. Notion AI can take meeting notes or messy ideas and turn them into organized docs. You can even ask it stuff like, what were the main points from last week's team meeting, and it will pull that out for you. If your Gmail feels like a black hole, Shortwave is a lifesaver. It bundles email threads, suggests quick replies, and lets you process a bunch of messages really fast. Need to write something, blog intro, email, product update, and you are staring at a blank page? Zapier can generate a solid draft in seconds. You just tell it the topic and the tone, and it gives you something to start with. If you ever need to turn some text into audio, like for a quick voiceover or internal video,
11 Labs is actually pretty solid.
You just type your script, pick a voice, and it spits out a clean audio file. No mic, no recording setup.
Making slides used to take forever, but now I just drop my main points into beautiful AI and it builds a good-looking deck for me, animation and all, no messing around with a formatting or alignment for an hour. Need custom visuals for your slides, blog or ad? Midjourney generates high-quality, unique images from a simple prompt. No more hunting stock photos. Now you can generate exactly what you need by yourself. If you ever wanted to create a video from just a short text prompt, like a drone shot of a mountain at sunset, Runway can actually do that. It uses AI to generate entire video clips from scratch. And Zapier. This is what makes everything connect. You can build workflows like this. Meeting ends, Firefly summarizes, Notion logs it, Zapier drafts follow-up, or email with an invoice. Zapier triggers finance update and task added to Motion. With over 7,000 connected apps, Zapier turns isolated actions into automated, repeatable systems. This is how modern teams are staying ahead, by automating what drains them and focusing on what drives results. And if you're ready to do the same, subscribe to Masters of AI and Automation. Here you will find real tools, real use cases, and workflows that scale without the burnout.